MATIC is nearing all-time highs right now. So we're going to look at a possible reason why this is happening, and then we're going to deep dive into the charts. My name is Sean, and welcome to Invest with Fire, where we talk about cryptocurrency investing. If this video is helpful, like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at Invest with Fire for more up-to-date information. So MATIC is trading at $2.14 right now. If we take a measured move from this wick to this wick, that's about a 47% increase. So why is this happening? If we take a look at Polygon's Twitter, they have announced something called Polygon ZK Day, in which Vitalik Buterin is going to be there. And they're going to discuss the future of snarks, starks, and application of ZK proofs. So what is this ZK proof technology? So what this ZK proof technology is that? It allows one party to prove to another that they hold private information without actually revealing that they hold that information. So, I mean, this is mind-blowing. So say, for example, if you need to provide like your driver license information, right? But you don't actually want to release all your information from your driver license to this another party. But yet that party can still verify that information without actually looking at that information. So that's crazy, right? Like this is like step level improvement in technology to be able to say that you actually hold this information and are the owner of this information without actually releasing this information. So you can use this technology in things like DeFi, right? Like you don't want to release all your financial information. You don't want someone to see like, oh, you spend this much on that, or you have this much money, right? I mean, that could be detrimental to your safety, right? If someone knows how much money you really have, and then they could come after you. But yet, this technology allows people to release information without actually releasing the information. And what's also interesting about this technology is that it can be used to simplify cryptographic proofs in consensus mechanism and improving computational performance. So if we take a look at this article right here, this article explains the difference between these different zero knowledge proof technology. You know, I'm not going to go deep dive into this, but I want to show you this table right here. So on these two columns, you can see here, you have snarks and starks right here. And you can see the size estimate for one transaction. So for one transaction using the snark zero proof technology, it takes 50 megabytes versus starks is 45 kilobytes. And if you see the size estimate for 10,000 transactions, this is 500 gigabytes versus starks is 135 kilobytes. So, I mean, the stark technology is a lot smaller compared to snark technology. And snark technology has been around longer than stark technology. But they both have their pros and cons. So for example, the size of transactions is a lot smaller for starks than snarks. But if you look at the EVM verification gas cost, the gas cost is a lot higher than snark. So it's 2.5 million versus 600,000. So just the gas cost alone, I mean, that takes a lot of gas to process these transactions on Stark technology. Going back to Polygon's Twitter, they've also mentioned that Polygon is focusing on ZK cryptography as the most promising solution for scaling for Ethereum. And they're also going to do live demos of this technology during this action-packed summit. And they also kind of tease this and they say one more thing will be announced, and this will be a major announcement. And here's Polygon's website. This is going to happen on December 9th. I'll leave a link to this in the description down below. So I'll be attending this to check it out. So let's deep dive in the charts. So it looks like we definitely have resistance near all-time highs, obviously, right? I mean, whenever cryptocurrency gets near all-time highs, there's going to be some kind of resistance here. And it looks like that we definitely have support on this bull market support band right here, this indicator right here. And this indicator is the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA. And this is what we figure out to see if a cryptocurrency is in a bull market or in a bear market. So anytime that cryptocurrency goes below this bull market support band, it's a bearish indicator. So definitely looks like we have support on this band right here. And yeah, and I definitely see MATIC increasing in value, especially when we look at coin market cap. And we can see that Polygon MATIC is around number 15 right here. And I definitely could see MATIC overtaking Shiba Inu and Dogecoin up here because there's so much utility to Polygon. But I definitely see that this recent announcement of this event about Polygon ZK Day is pumping up the price of MATIC. Now, is it a good time to buy MATIC? I would say it's an okay time to buy MATIC, but of course, you know, this could just be a pump leading up to the event and then deflating from that event too. So definitely watch out. For me, I usually buy around this bull market support band. So, you know, yeah, we have these pumps where we think that MATIC might get away from us, but usually things pull back. And if you just use bull market support band, I mean, these are just great times to buy MATIC between like $1 to maybe say $1.50. I mean, those are great times to buy MATIC, in my opinion. But of course, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. I just want to provide you the charts and information. So if we take a look at the trading pairs, if we take a look at MATIC Bitcoin right here. So this trading pair shows the valuation of MATIC against Bitcoin. And this is important to see because this shows the value of MATIC against Bitcoin. So if this is in a downtrend, then it would have been better just to invest in Bitcoin. But we have a general uptrend. So it's better to invest in MATIC than Bitcoin over this spanner here, as shown as by this upward trend right here. Now here's a very important trading pair, the MATIC to Ethereum trading pair, because a lot of cryptocurrencies bleed against Ethereum. So it's always important to check this to make sure that your coin isn't losing value against Ethereum. And here we have a general uptrend against Ethereum, and this is good to see. So taking a look at, going back to MATIC USD, let's take a look and pull up the Ethereum chart right here. And I just want to see any correlation between MATIC and Ethereum, see if we're having inverse relationships. You can kind of see here back in May 2021 when Ethereum has peak, looks like MATIC spiked after that. So it definitely goes with the narrative that these altcoins lag behind Ethereum. And of course, Bitcoin leads away, then Ethereum, and then these altcoins. So this is important. This is interesting to see. But a lot of these movements are very similar to Ethereum. So MATIC is definitely following Ethereum. And it makes a lot of sense, right? Because MATIC is the layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. So wherever Ethereum goes, you know, MATIC is following along too. Because if Ethereum tanks, I mean, then MATIC will be along for that ride too. Because MATIC is built on Ethereum. So this makes a lot of sense right here. So yeah, definitely looks like they're correlated here. So I'm really excited about this Polygon ZK Day. And I can't wait for it. It definitely seems like a lot of promising things are going to be implemented for MATIC. And I've also done a reasonable Polygon MATIC price prediction. And if you want to check that out, click on the video above and I will see you guys there. Later.